Hello, everyone, welcome to the Forceful Gear. Today, we'll introduce the top 15 biggest logging machines you've ever seen. Remember to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Come on, let's get started. The timber sector is crucial for supplying building supplies, furniture, and other wood items. There is a machine in front of you that harvests wood with a long rod so that firewood may be conveniently collected and transported back. An innovative wheel system enables movement on a variety of terrains. Its 400 horsepower engine can efficiently extract and move large blocks of wood. This black monster machine is used in logging to fell trees and shape refraction logs that are ready for processing. By allowing both electrical and fuel energy sources to be used to operate, it helps conserve fuel. Also lessen emissions, it is a high-performance and hybrid logging machine from Lockset, a reputable supplier of logging equipment. It is part of Lockset's core series and was made to withstand challenging logging conditions. Next is a versatile logging machine with a four-wheel drive system that is one of the most intelligent and effective in the wood sector. It has an autonomous cutting system and can transport wood in any terrain. A WD enables the vehicle to operate adaptably on any surface, even uneven and difficult terrain. The H415 woodcutter head is a crucial machine-mounted equipment made for effective cutting and failure. This woodcutter head can operate with large, difficult blocks of wood while boosting productivity and reducing logging time. The logging process can differ from one country to another and to particular geographic regions, but it is typically started by forest managers and logging professionals conducting an area assessment and forests to identify available timber resources and assess the potential for exploitation based. On the initial assessment, a logging plan is created. Perform logging by falling trees and moving the reflection log to storage at your woodworking locations. Around 3.5 billion cubic meters of water are harvested annually from natural forests and timber plantations around the world. Important producers of timber include Russia, the United States, China, Canada, and Brazil. These nations contribute a significant amount of timber that is exported to other countries. This machine combines flexibility with high working efficiency to increase productivity and efficiency in the logging process. The value of wood exports worldwide is projected to be around $270 billion in recent years. The timber business supports millions of jobs globally, especially in countries that depend on forests like Canada. A significant portion of the GDP in various regions of Sweden and Finland is generated by the timber industry. As trees lose their leaves and part of the ground is covered in snow during the winter, it can be simpler to find and transport wood, which can help increase productivity and shorten the time it takes to complete the mining process. This summer, sea or snowy ground surfaces can make it easier to move mining equipment and machinery during the winter. In some circumstances, winter logging can assist minimize the impact on the environment by reducing the impact on soil and trees and lowering the danger of harm to forest ecosystem. Organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, and the Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification, PEFCE, which played a significant role in certifying that wood products are produced to sustainable standards, recognize the importance of sustainable management and protection of forests in the logging industry. Controlling and preventing illicit logging is one of the main problems the forestry industry is currently experiencing. Illegal logging harms the ecosystem, destroys natural forests, and creates social and economic issues. Logging equipment with a high capacity for handling wood and reliability is made to operate in any challenging circumstances. Optimal performance. timber industry is significant to the global economy, and using the biggest logging machines as part of that process helps minimize environmental damage while also increasing productivity and efficiency in logging and woodworking. America is the world's largest producer of lumber, producing about 574 million cubic meters of wood annually. They use incredibly large logging equipment with engines that can produce 4,500 horsepower and weigh up to 672 tons, which can harvest and transport enormous blocks of wood. The world's greatest forest area belongs to Russia, which is also one of the top exporters of timber. In 2020, it is predicted that the globe would consume 3.8 billion cubic meters of wood. The two countries that consume the most wood worldwide are China and the US. Wood is primarily used in the construction industry, furniture manufacturing, paper production, and many other applications. On display is a logging machine that can work with large blocks of wood while maintaining high levels of strength and dependability. Next is a small yet very adaptable forestry machine that can readily move across any terrain and is made to operate in confined forest regions. Many nations and international organizations have passed policies and regulations to manage and control logging with the aim of protecting the environment, ensuring the rights of local people, and ensuring a sustainable supply of timber. According to a report by the International Environmental Investigation Agency and Interpol, illegal logging accounts for 15 to 30% of the world's timber production. Logging requires a license, which is monitored and tracked. Sustainability certification systems are also used, as are prohibitions on the import of illegal timber. The Komatsu 895 is a wood-cutting machine made by Komatsu Forest that is used in the forestry business to efficiently down and treat trees. It weighs between 20 and 26 tons, measures around 10 meters in length, height, and width, and has a working width of 3 meters. of the total area of the air is forest. Pull-on igniter or rotary igniter maximum cutting capacity from 0.4 to 1.2 square meters per hour. The primary types of wood harvested and used include softwoods like pine, ginger, and eucalyptus, as well as hardwoods like oak, poplar, and pine. With a pickup mechanism and the capacity to carry wood effectively, this machine is a versatile and simple to use logging tool. The daily yield of wood can range from 100 to 200 cubic meters. The tree, in order to prepare trees for shipment and woodworking, choppers are crucial pieces of equipment in the logging business. Let's have a look at this popular woodworking machine and the cutting-edge technologies in the field of wood harvesting. Approaching the final machine, its silver hue stands for technology and modernity. To help safeguard the operator's safety, a unique form of glass was used in the design of the machine's glass door. This woodcutter may rotate around the tree's base to cut the tree down from a variety of directions under the supervision of the machine operator. The tree's position and cutting direction aid to improve accessibility and performance in challenging forest conditions. That's what we wanted to share with you today. Enjoy your day and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to receive updates on the newest videos. Many thanks.